Alright, I'm going to attach my wire connections, or my little clips for my heatsink. Just slide them on. I'm going to get this one bowed into place, and then I'm just going to screw it in from the other side. Get it pretty tight, not super tight, just again so I can pivot the other one to line up the hole, but it looks pretty aligned. So alright, there's that clip. I'll attach this other one. Oops. Right through the face on the top. Alright, we have our clips mounted. Alright, so to keep your wires out of the way of your heatsink, make sure you hook them around this little loop there. Both of these clips have one. You don't want them getting crushed on the heatsink and then the fan dying. Yeah, that'll keep them up out of the way.